Be ready for the dictation. Start. Sir, the question of any other government coming and spoiling the economy does not arise. During 1990-97, our interest burden only has gone up from 2600 crores of rupees to 14,000 crores of rupees. I have just put the figures before the house. This burden will just go up, and a stage will come when, like Mexico and Brazil, our currency will cease to have any meaning. We are going to a stage which is very dangerous. Future generations will not excuse us. It is like a family. If the father squanders away all the money, the children will not excuse him. It is like this. We are squandering the money which is in our hands. We are squandering the money which we can borrow. We are also squandering the money which our sons can borrow. This is a very serious situation. I want to draw the attention of the finance minister to it. Para. My next point is about external borrowing. Internal borrowing is already a problem. How can external borrowing be repaid? It can be repaid only by two methods. Either you borrow to repay, which we are doing, or you repay by increasing your own foreign exchange earnings. The present finance minister is also the commerce minister. I must say a word of appreciation. Since he has come, he is trying to put all his efforts for export promotion. But our export base is very weak. Over the last 20 to 30 years, our policies with regard to export promotion have failed miserably. Now we are trying to give all sorts of incentives for export promotion. Those are petty things. When you give some concessions to trade or commerce, the Chamber of Commerce and Industry says that this should be 10% less or more. Now, these are very minor things. The major thing is that a country of the size of India, a country with this size of the budget and with all the resources, should have more exports. We never tired of saying that we have the third largest body of intellectuals in the world of scientific and intelligent manpower. It may be a fact, but what is the use of that manpower if we cannot become an export trade surplus country? Small countries like Korea and Singapore have increased their exports tremendously.